Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Ka Hill State People's Democratic Party kala shim ya karai ban leit ye kendo no shen ya kinongelam na rilom garo na ka benta ban ye ther ya tai sani bha halor ka jingdawa bala sateng na ka benta ban penkha lakajong ka jilla bathmai ya ki jaj ban rew khasi jaintia ban ka benta ki pajba ka rilom garo Haka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor uba pangyang ulayathu baki nongelam jong ka party dangshen kin sa shong jingyalang bat kinongelam jong ka Garolan State Movement Committee banya keren sani bha halor kanika bat ban dubyo ban pensngoru shiki tendong skor jong ka sarkar India.
In the changing of leadership, I have no say at all because it is the collective decision of the NDA partners. Collective responsibility, collective decision. But from our party as of now, we are very much responsible to raise all our issues to be taken care by the state government or by the so-called central government through the state government. But as of now, with regard to the matter changing of leadership, I feel like the matter does not arise at all. As of now, yes, to protect the interests of the people of the state, to address the important issues of the state like the so-called issue of the border dispute, the issue of the proposal to the government of India through state government for the, like our party have raised the issue to amend paragraph 12AB of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. We are very much interested and responsible to address through the state government and to reiterate our stand to raise our issue like recognition of the Khasi and Garo Hills and Garo language to the 8th schedule, and like this, no, we expect that the state government will take keen interest.
No,
but we are so interested to keep on raising our issue with expectation from this government to look into the matter and to discuss and to deliver, to say that we need to change the leader of the government.
So there's no
To say about that, but we are focusing to take note, to take care, to discuss all these matters that the party put forward. As the main opposition party, it has the right to say so. And it is the boundary of the so-called opposition also to demand or to accuse, to allege the so-called irregularities of the functioning of the government. So that also possibly we feel that it is a good role of the opposition to raise this issue, so that this present government also will take care. I am not saying that this government is 100% doing good governance. The government needs to address so many issues of the, of all the coalition partners. So we have different issues, different, agenda and program. So we expect that this government will take more serious to focus this problem brought in by our party and others parties also.
You
That is
said that
I'm not saying that this government is doing 100% good governance. Means
What do you
100% means there is still many, agendas, programs need to be done more effectively. Need to reconsider. Need to relook. That is my, intention to say. To my knowledge, I cannot say the happenings of tomorrow. But as of today, we expect that this government will take all issues of our, partners in the MDA positively and constructively. That means we expect that the government will deliver performance more effective in the near future or in the years to come.